What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a freeze frame inside of a video clip, and I'm also going to show you 3 different ways of how to do it and 3 different reasons why you want to do it, including a very cool camera flash trick. Now let's get started. Now if you enjoy watching these videos and you want to see more like it, please subscribe to the channel because I'm constantly creating new content. Now let's head down here in the timeline, and I just have this short little video of this kid skateboarding, doing a kickflip, and then landing it. But what I want to do is I want to freeze the frame. So I'm going to leave the playhead exactly at the frame that I want to freeze. So I'll start with the first of 3. So if you come down here and click on the clip, now as long as you don't move the playhead, make sure the playhead stays in the exact same frame that you want to capture. Right mouse click and click Insert Frame Hold Segment. So what this is going to do is this is going to create a still frame inside of the clip. So when you go to play it, it's going to pause and then continue. Now with this, you can grab the middle section where it's frozen and you can shorten it for the effect you want. So if you want to just kind of freeze for a quick second, you can adjust that any duration that you want. So now I'm going to grab the tail end of it, come back and snap it together. And then we just have a nice little, I'll show you, just nice little kind of freeze and then continue. And then you can play with the return with speed ramping and make it faster so when he comes down, so it kind of pauses and then snaps back into place, however you want to play with it. So that's one option. And the second option is what I like the most, I do this quite a bit, is on that kind of freeze frame where you did before, the exact same thing, come down, right mouse click over the clip, and then you're going to see where it says Add Frame Hold. Now you'll notice it converted the entire remaining balance of the clip into a freeze frame, because this is where I'm going to turn that effect, that kind of camera flash frozen effect that you see in a lot of movies. So let's come down here to the start, and I'm going to do a couple things. I'm going to head over here to Effects, and go to Video Transitions, and I want it to dip to white, like it's a camera flash going off. Put that right in the middle, but I'm going to shorten it so it's nice and quick. And then I have this lovely little camera flash sound effect I'm going to place over here. So now, I'm going to play it through. And it has that wonderful kind of flash camera frozen in time moment that you see in a lot of movies. So I'll play that one more time, I'll back it up. That's a great reason to be able to do a freeze frame. I'm going to undo that. And another way you can take a still image, say you don't want to disrupt this clip at all, you want to just play as normal, but you want to be able to take this kind of frozen frame and use it somewhere in your project, whether it's for a thumbnail or later down the line in the film or the project. You can come over here. So I'm going to leave it right there where it was. And instead of cutting or editing the clip itself, come up here to your program monitor, and right here it says Export Frame. So whatever the image is in here, it's going to export it. Oh. Let's go back to the exact same frame we want where the skateboard is flat. So if we click this camera here, you have a couple options. You can name it if you want to name it something different so you can remember the still that you're taking from the video. You can format it whatever way you like, but JPEG is the most common. You can place the path if you want to put it in a specific hard drive or a different folder. But the thing, especially if you're using it for the project, make sure to click Import into Project. So as long as that's clicked, when you click OK and you head back over here where you have all your different media that you've placed in here, you can see this still frame here. So say you want to grab it and you want to drop it, so now you have that still image. You can short it any way you like. You can put it on top as like a little B insert somewhere. You can do whatever you like. It's a standalone clip without cutting or adjusting anything here in the original. Anyway, that is 3 different ways to freeze a frame inside of a video clip and 3 different ways to use it. Hope that was helpful, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. That being said, have a great day. Later.